Hello, howdy from Texas, Austin, Texas. I'm gonna move slow so that the camera focuses in. I really need a new camera. But anyway, it's about 10 in the morning and I did find a new spot. Hopefully the spot will be open for a while. But here's your Formula One track Grand Prix. What you're seeing there is not the signature turn, but it could be. The signature turn is on the other side of that. I am on the east side of the track right now. And as you can see, plenty of bulldozers working hard. I'm pointing straight at the building, the fans, where the fans will be. I wanted you to see real quick our beautiful blue bonnets. These are our beautiful blue bonnets. They are our state flower. And it's against the law to pick these blue bonnets. If they catch you, the police, you will get a fine. But anyway, so here we are. Oh, and one more thing too, while we're looking at nature, I wanted to show you these thorns. I told you about the mesquite thorns. Here's some close up. Let's see, here's one. These are kind of babies. But we're a friendly state, but I guess our nature's not too friendly. You sure? Oh, here's a really big one right here. You wouldn't want to run over that. Surely the race car drivers would not want to run over that thorn. Big Texas thorn there. Mesquite thorns. Okay, now I'm coming back around this way. Now, as I told you before, this is on a big hill. Here's another turn right here. This here is I saw a bulldozer here earlier, and that there is at least 20 to 30 feet high. That turn alone, that bank. Let's see. This is the north side of the track. I'm on the east side. That's the west side. And this would be the south side, which is where the signature turn is. We've got, let's see here, a lot of action going on. It looks like they slowed down. It looks like they took all the bulldozers and they're working over here. I'm going to be quiet just so you can listen. See if you can listen to all the noise. In the distance, if you could see a round tan building, that's where the garbage dump is. The landfill, I should say. Over here are the neighborhoods where I live. Straight ahead, it's hazy right now, but where I am pointing is where downtown Austin is. I can see the tall skyscrapers, but it's too hazy. I see a plane leaving the airport. Ooh, it looks like he's coming this way. He just left the airport, but it looks like he had a sharp ascension. So you could see that the track is definitely in its early stages. No cement poured yet. Okay, there's the plane. Just left the airport. I don't know if you could see him, but there he is. Ooh, I see some Texas buzzards way over there. Our beautiful blue skies. Our blue bonnets. Where the cranes are is where the building is. To the left of the building is the signature turn. It's going to be huge. The track will be huge. But everything in Texas is big. So therefore, we're going to make a big world-class track. There's a cedar tree that's dying because of the drought. It didn't get enough water, so it didn't survive. It should be green. So here's the fence where I'm at. And I know they go through this fence. Look at this. The guy, I just talked to the man that works with the electricity company. Look at all the padlocks. I told him I would not cross the gate. He trusts me. So there you go. If you could see in the distance, I see some cars straight ahead on a high hill. That is Toll Road 130 in the distance. Where that gray building is straight ahead, past that building is where I was at before at Old Ross Road. The road that I just came on to get here was Elroy Road, and now they have just begun construction. It's a 2-lane road, country, just like the Old Ross Road, and they are going to, it looks like they're going to expand it to make it a 4-lane road, and they're working on that right now. But here's your view. We're starting to get a nice sunny day. But here's the view. Straight ahead, if you see something really tall to the right a little bit, well, I'll point straight to it. That is the air traffic control tower. The real tall tower right there. That's where and those hangars, those are airport hangars. To the left of the air traffic control tower, you'll see some buildings there. That's where the hangars are for the airplanes. There's a flag, the first flag of the Formula One track here in Austin, Texas. Flag number 11. I've got 3 days left for myself. And then, well, I can't say. But anyway, here we are. Here's some good footage. I want to get a new camera because this camera isn't doing the job. So I'm going to try focusing on getting a new camera soon. One that's on sale, but one that'll do the job so I can focus in. I needed a new one anyway. But here we go. We've got security cameras. Now here's a cedar tree that looks like it's This one looks good and healthy. Here's the little road, rock road there's my car. One of my cars. Not that I'm wealthy or anything. Anyway, here you go. Well, I guess that's it. I'll be back soon. But here you go. You can see, as you see, they're working. Bulldozers everywhere. And it's a gorgeous day here. It's cool. It's a little cool. It's around 70-ish. But it's going to get hot. It always gets hot. It'll be in the middle to upper 80s today. This is the north. I hope everyone has a wonderful resurrection morning on April 8th. God bless you.